Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Buddy podcast. I am Sam.
And I am Sophia. It is so good to be here with you today.
We hope you are having a wonderful day. We are ready to learn some English together.
Yes, we want to help you feel calm and confident. English can be fun and relaxing.
Exactly. So take a deep breath, get comfortable, and let's start.
Before we begin, we have a small request. If you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Yes, and please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us make more episodes for you.
We love reading your comments too. You are part of our English family.
That is right. Thank you for your support, everyone. So, Sophia, what are we talking about today?
Today is a business English day. We're going to talk about writing an email to a client.
Oh, that is a great topic. Writing emails can be scary sometimes.
I agree. You worry about grammar or being polite, but do not worry.
We will show you a simple way to write clear and professional emails. It's easier than you think.
Let's imagine a situation, Sam. You need to write an email to a new client.
Okay. Let's say his name is Mr. Jones. What is the first thing I need to do?
First, you need a subject line. This is the title of the email.
I see. Can I just write hello?
No, that is too vague. It is better to be specific. For example, meeting request or project update.
Ah, that makes sense. So the client knows what the email is about immediately.
Exactly. Now, how do you start the email? How do you say hello?
Can I say, hi, Mr. Jones?
You can, but for a new client, Dear Mr. Jones is safer. It is more formal and polite.
Okay. Dear Mr. Jones, what comes next? Do I start asking questions right away?
Not yet. Usually we add a polite opening sentence, something friendly.
Like, I hope you are doing well?
Perfect. That is very common. I hope you are having a good week is also nice.
I like that. It feels warm. Okay, now I need to tell him why I am writing.
Yes, use simple phrases like I am writing to or I would like to.
Okay, I am writing to schedule a meeting with you. Is that clear?
Very clear. Short sentences are best in business. It shows you respect their time.
I see. I often write long sentences. I should stop doing that.
Yes, keep it simple. After the main message, you usually have a call to action.
A call to action? What does that mean?
It means you tell the person what to do next. Do they need to reply? Do they need to call you?
Oh, so I can say, please let me know if you are available on Tuesday.
Exactly. That is a perfect call to action. It is polite but clear.
Great. And then how do I finish the email? Can I say bye?
Bye is too casual for business. You should use best regards or sincerely.
Best regards sounds good. I see it a lot.
Yes, it is the most common closing. Then you write your name.
Wow, that is not so hard. Subject, greeting, polite opening, main message, call to action, and closing.
You got it, Sam. It is just like building a small house. You just need the right pieces.
We used some good words in that conversation.
Can we explain a few of them?
Sure. First, let's look at the word client.
A client is a customer, someone who pays for your services. In business, we usually say client instead of customer for professional services.
Right. Next is subject line.
The subject line is the short text you see before you open the email. It tells you the topic.
Yes. And lastly, formal.
Formal means serious and polite. It is the opposite of casual. You are formal with your boss, but casual with your friends.
Exactly. Knowing these words help you understand business situations better. Sam, do you have any extra tips for writing good emails?
Yes, my number one tip is keep it short. People are busy. They like short emails.
That is a great tip. My tip is always check your spelling.
Oh, yes. Read your email one more time before you click send.
It only takes 1 minute, but it saves you from mistakes.
And finally, always say please and thank you. Politeness goes a long way.
Let's review what we learned today. Writing an email is a process.
First, write a clear subject line.
Start with a formal greeting, like Dear Mr. Jones.
Be friendly, then say your message clearly.
Tell them what to do next, and end with best regards.
See, you can do this.
Thank you for listening to our business English practice today.
We hope this helps you feel more confident at work.
We have a question for you. Do you write emails in English for your job?
Let us know in the comments. We love to hear from you.
Have a wonderful and productive week, everyone.
See you next time. Bye-bye.